Hey guys, it's Sidasia. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this ombre honey blonde color. So I will be using 2 bundles in a closure of the 10-inch deep wave hair from the company Allove Hair. To color these bundles, I'm going to be using 40 volume developer and 30 volume developer. I'm going to be using the BW2 bleach powder. I mix these in 2 separate bowls, one with 40 volume developer, one with 30 volume developer, because for the top I use the 40 and for the back of the wig I use 30 volume developer because I wanted it to be lighter on top and darker in the back. I guess that's the best way to explain it, but anyway. So I just mixed those together in 2 separate bowls. So for the top of the wig, I went in with the 40 volume developer, and I wanted to start at the top first with the 40 because I knew that it was going to strip the color faster and the top would then be lighter, and that's the look I was going for. So when doing this, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. You just put the bleach in the hair and just put it wherever you want the hair to bleach. Yeah, I do like to use aluminum foil after I put the bleach in it because I feel like it makes the process go faster. So once I get towards the middle of the head, that's when I start using a 30 volume developer, which is the lighter one. So I was going for more of a, I guess, a brown. I don't know, the hair did get lighter than I thought it would, but I wasn't trying to make it as blonde as the top. So now you guys are about to see that I did not tone this hair with any toner. I just took my purple shimmer light shampoo and I washed the bleach out. I let the purple shampoo sit in the hair for about 15 minutes, and that was how I toned the hair. When putting this on, you know, I just use a regular got-to-be glue. So I did not pluck this wig, and I kind of should have, not in the parting but just where the baby hairs are, because the baby hairs were extremely thick. But I also, whenever I do my baby hair and I pluck, I never really do it on my head. I was just doing that for the videos. So now I'm just taking the spray bottle and spraying all throughout the hair to get it wet. So now I'm just taking my hot curling wand just to get it flat at the top, which literally everybody does. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any suggestions or any other videos that you would like me to post, then leave